Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children on the corner. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear. Traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more vulnerable how you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's why I want to hear. Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this love too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. Don't just say you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And you'll start hating only if you make it.
Hey y'all, it's kayladeniece. Welcome back to my channel. By the title, you guys can already tell what video this is gonna be. This is my prep with me for New York vlog. Today is currently April 11th. It is 6:11 p.m. and I'm pretty much just gonna be taking you guys with me as I go to my little appointments for like my hair, eyebrows, stuff like that. I'll be doing my own hair and lashes, and I'm just gonna be letting you guys see that whole process. Today is gonna be really busy. Between today and tomorrow, my flight is at 7 p.m. tomorrow. So between today and tomorrow, I'm going to be busy going to my appointments, get my hair and lashes done, and then also packing. So you guys will see all of that in this vlog. I'm really not going to do too much talking, so be like a music playing over as I'm getting this stuff done type of vlog. For right now, I'm just going to be heading to my appointments, and I'm just going to be bringing you guys along. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'm about to go ahead and head out. First, I don't even know where I'm going first, but I just want to show y'all what I have on. It's just this 2-piece set from White Fox. It's really cute, form-fitting, and it has like a little fold-over leggings, which I thought was really cute. And it has the flare leg at the bottom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on my Yeezy slides. And yeah, we about to go. So that's the outfit of the day. See you guys in the vlog.
I can still go to my hood. They know my body is good. $2 million to party inside of Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, pushed the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch, we ain't ducking no action. I'm about to get them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I call this meeting. Make a stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sundown. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nicki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds on me flooded, I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside of Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't playing with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a gangsta. He ain't gon' hesitate if I tell him to change some. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. You mean the pink Lamborghini, that's at the next house. Fuck him so good, I got him walking with his chest out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sundown. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet.
Now they are done and they are super cute. I'm super happy with the outcome. I had a fun experience there. Once they found out I was a content creator, they would ask me like a lot of questions about it. And they also asked me to put their shop name and like social medias on here, so I'm gonna do that for them. I had a really nice time. There's this one lady that I always go to get my brows done, and she did really good, as she always does. She never fails on my brows, so I'm gonna put that up there for y'all. Only thing now I'm really wanting to get done is my hair. Like my hair, I'm tired of the blonde. Oh yeah, y'all, and I posted my pictures on Instagram, so make sure y'all go and tap in with my pictures. Please do not mind my hair throughout this vlog, y'all. This shit is like, I'm literally just tired of it and haven't even gone through and did what I need to do to it. So we're just not even going to talk about it. We got a little half up, half down situation, a little bun situation going on. So we're just going to leave it with that. And yeah. Hey y'all, so I am back home and I just went and got my eyebrows done and I got me some food. Pretty much everything else I have to do is just do my hair and pack, and I'm gonna be doing that after I eat my food. So So I just got me some Outback pasta that I'm about to eat. I got chicken and shrimp pasta. And yeah, I think I forgot to tell y'all, but after I do like my hair and lashes, I also have to do my mom's hair and lashes. So that's gonna be a thing in its own. So yeah, I look kind of crazy right now because I took that little bun down and freaking put me a ponytail in, because right after I eat, I'm low-key about to just snatch this wig off and get to work, because I'm like really not prepared for tomorrow. Not as prepared as I need to be for the trip to be literally tomorrow. But here's my pasta.
I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was big. Cause they go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside of Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up, it's from the Los Angeles bud. People just biting like Joe, shout out to Kimberly though.
See, I had a thought, she be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure, baby let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major lick. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the stove. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 20.
12:32 in the morning, and it is April 12th. I leave today at 7 p.m. and I am super excited. Only thing left for me to do now is just pack my bag and I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I picked out to wear to the airport. It's just this pretty little thing, 2-piece set. So we got the jacket in the bone basic colorway, and then we got the pants. And y'all, by the texture, I don't really know if these two go together, but I'm gonna try it on together to see how it is. Yeah, these are the bone seamless high-waist flare yoga pants. It was on the mix and match, so I mean, like, it should go. The colors are spot on, like they go. So hopefully it look real cute together, y'all. I'm gonna try to wake up around like 9 o'clock, so I can go ahead and get my mom's stuff out the way. And if I need anything after going through my stuff today, then I will let you guys know if I'm gonna be going to like a little store or mall or something like that. I got these cute little topicals eye patches. Alright, y'all, it says only leave them on for 15 minutes, so have a timer set for 15 minutes, and after that I will be taking them off. Y'all, we are at the restaurant. Got us a little menu. My mom, my brother. Y'all, Dre decided to stay home. He didn't want to come to breakfast, so it's just us. And I don't know what I want just yet, so I'm not gonna look and see. You know what you getting? Yep. What you getting? The 7 packs. It's $11.35. Yeah.
I'm gonna do the breakfast special, and can I get 3 eggs scrambled? Y'all,
Do they have pink lemonade?
I'll take pink lemonade. And can I get cheese in my grits? Thank you.
So I know I want a pancake, a side of bacon, and some grits. Do y'all have like a special for that already, or?
I can give you a kid's pancake with bacon and side of grits.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
That's
I'll
good.
take that. Yeah. What?
Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger, like scoop up the white, a block on fire. So I take the cost, mess for Michael White, I'm on his ass. He gon' beat her ass, but this what happened. I got to the dope, I thought I was capping. I was slacking, cause that go to yelling, that was cracking. I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, who? I was born to shoot, I got aim. I'm like Johnny James, when it comes to change. So I ride, hit one in his arm, hit one in his thigh. There's no lie, bitches do or die. You say you gon' slide, got some nerve. Your shit on the curb, boy, we put in work from 64th and from 65th, we not from 63rd.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga.